Hey there, Auto Intel fans. Imagine a machine so powerful it can churn out a car every 5 seconds. Yeah, you heard that right. We're diving into the wild world of Tesla's Giga Press, the game changer that's rewriting how cars are made. Today, we're unpacking the jaw-dropping 50,000-ton Giga Press, capable of producing 12 cars a minute. How does it do it? Is this the future of car manufacturing? Let's jump in and find out. Elon Musk isn't one to shy away from splashing cash on cutting-edge tech for Tesla's factories, but he's got one rule: it's gotta be worth it.
The rumors spread even faster when Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, once said that a car that isn't capable of self-driving is just pointless in today's world.
From the 6,000-ton and 9,000-ton models to the mind-blowing 50,000-ton version,
with 360-degree cameras, short-range radar, and structured light projectors currently being tested on the
and why this massive machine is set to revolutionize Tesla's Cybercab and Model 2
mapping around the vehicle.
Buckle up, because
enabling
this story is
advanced
a wild
self-parking
ride.
And level
the
3
Giga Press
autonomous
story
driving
kicked off
features.
with a spark of inspiration.
Which would you choose?
Picture
A
Elon
larger
Musk
battery
holding a
with longer
die-cast toy
range but
car at
higher
his
cost,
desk,
or
wondering,
just
why
enough
can't we
battery
build
that's more
real cars
budget-friendly?
like this?
What truly
That
matters
light
more to
bulb
you?
moment led to a bold
If the
idea,
Model 2 doesn't
casting
come with
huge
full
car
self-driving
parts,
capabilities,
like the entire
would you still
underbody of the
consider
Model
it worth
Y
buying?
in one go.
Especially when
It'd
Elon
cut
Musk
weight,
once said that a
slash
car that
costs,
isn't
and speed
autonomous
up
is
assembly.
pointless.
At
Thanks
the time,
for watching our video.
Tesla was under pressure to ramp up Model
If you
Y
want to
production
explore
while
more
keeping
exciting
costs
information
down.
to outpace
The
competitors
Giga
and take
Press
full
was the
advantage
answer,
of EV tax
promising to shave
incentive
20
in
to
North
40%
America.
off frame manufacturing
By July,
costs.
Tesla aims to
But
deliver
here's the thing,
4,200
no one in
vehicles
the auto
without Tesla
industry had
EV
ever
or
tried this
Tesla Bot.
before.
Don't forget to hit the
Traditional
like
car frames were made by
video.
stamping steel and
Appreciate your
welding
support
hundreds of parts
and look
together,
forward to
a
seeing
slow
you in the
and
next
complex
video.
process.
We're
Musk
part of
reached out to
Tesla's
6
plans,
major
or
die-casting
perhaps never
manufacturers
truly
to pitch his
existed
crazy
at all.
idea. 5
Right
flat
now,
out said no,
Tesla is
calling it
under a lot
impossible.
of pressure.
Just when it seemed like a dead
When would
end,
be the
an
ideal
Italian
time for
company
you to
called
consider
Hydra
buying a
stepped up.
Tesla?
They
We'd
weren't
love to
totally
hear your
sold either,
thoughts.
just gave a cautious
As we
maybe.
all know, China was
For
once
Musk,
a gold
that
mine
was
for
enough.
luxury car brands from the
Tesla
US
teamed
and
up
Europe.
with Hydra for over a
But
year,
times are
tweaking
changing.
designs and
Tesla
pushing
is
the
now
limits.
facing increasingly fierce
Hydra's team was
competition from
stretched to the
domestic
max,
EV makers
constantly
like
reworking the
BYD,
machine to meet
XPeng,
Tesla's
and
demands.
Geely.
But it
As a
paid
result,
off.
Tesla's sales
The
in China are
6,000-ton
declining,
Giga Press
and
started
that's having a
casting
ripple
Model Y
effect on
rear
its global
chassis,
numbers.
followed by the
In the
9,000-ton
first quarter
version
of this
for the
year,
Cybertruck.
Tesla sold 25%
Now,
fewer
Musk's
vehicles
got his
compared
sights
to
on
the
the
same period last
50,000-ton
year.
Giga Press for the
Why is this
Cybercab and
happening?
Model 2, a machine that
Partly
can cast
because
multiple
Tesla hasn't
frames at
released a
once in just
completely
5
new
seconds.
mass-market model recently.
Can you even wrap
The
your
company
head
has
around
mainly
a car
focused
rolling
on
off the line
upgrading
that fast?
existing models.
It's unreal.
Additionally, Elon Musk's
So,
growing
what makes the
involvement in politics has
50,000-ton
made some
Giga Press
consumers
such a
uncomfortable.
beast?
And that
Let's
could be
clear up a
influencing their
common
car
mix-up
buying
first.
decisions.
Those 50,000
So what's the
tons
best
don't
way
mean the
for
machine's
Tesla to
weight.
win back consumer trust and
That's the
expand its
insane
market?
pressure it generates.
Tesla needs to launch its most
Still,
affordable
this
electric
thing
car
is
yet,
massive,
and that
potentially
car is
weighing
the
over
Model 2.
3,000 tons. That's
The Model 2 is
6.6
expected
million
to debut
pounds.
in June, or
For
at the latest by
comparison,
the end of
the
this year.
6,000-ton Giga
And
Press
most likely,
weighs about
it will launch
430
first in
tons,
China
and the
Europe.
9,000-ton version
Why
hits
not the US first?
688 tons.
Because initial
The
production of the Model
50,000-ton
2
model.
will take place at Giga
It's a whole
Shanghai
other level,
in China,
possibly tipping the
while
scales
the
at
US currently
8.16
imposes
million
import tariffs
pounds.
of up to nearly
It's
200% on
131 feet
Chinese-made
long,
vehicles.
42 feet wide, and 39 feet tall. Imagine a 4-story building lying on its side. Tesla had to build a custom facility with a super deep concrete foundation just to hold this monster. Installing it could take months, and that's before it even starts cranking out parts. How does this giant actually work? It's all about precision under extreme pressure. Molten aluminum gets pumped into a mold, filling every tiny detail perfectly. If it's too fast, air bubbles mess things up. Too slow, and the aluminum cools before the mold's filled. A high-speed piston injects the metal, and a carefully controlled cooling system hardens it into a super strong part. After that, a robot pulls the part out, trims excess material, and sends it for quality checks. The Giga Press cuts out the need for welding dozens of smaller pieces, saving time, labor, and weight while boosting the car's strength. The process starts with melting aluminum ingots, mixed with recycled scraps, in a furnace at about 850 degrees Celsius. Impurities get skimmed off, and the molten metal flows through heated pipelines to a second furnace, kept between 750 degrees Celsius and 850 degrees Celsius. Nitrogen gas fills the furnace to prevent oxidation, and a mix of argon gas and filters cleans out tiny particles. The mold gets prepped with a thin layer of soybean oil, think of it like greasing a pan, so the part pops out easily. A vacuum sucks out air, and the molten aluminum gets injected at high speed. Once it's in, the part cools to about 400 degrees Celsius, gets dunked in a cooling bath to drop to 50 degrees Celsius, and the mold resets for the next cycle in just 1 to 2 minutes. Every part gets X-rayed to ensure it's flawless. The 50,000-ton Giga press takes this to another level, casting 5 car bodies at once, which is why it can hit that crazy 12 cars/minute pace. Hey, if you're loving this deep dive into Tesla's game-changing tech, hit that subscribe button. We're pushing to reach 1,000 subscribers, and your support gets us closer to that goal. Stay with Auto Intel for more exciting updates on EVs and cutting-edge auto tech. Now, let's talk about why this matters. The 50,000-ton Giga press isn't just bigger, it's a leap forward. It casts multiple frames in 5 seconds, compared to 70 seconds for earlier models. That speed, plus the ability to make complex parts in one piece, slashes production time and costs. Tesla's gone from needing 1,000 robots on the assembly line to just 300. It's like Musk said, this is less like traditional car making and more like churning out electronics, fast, streamlined, and space-efficient. The Cybercab and Model 2 will lean hard into this, with production so fast humans can't even get near the line safely. Musk compares it to making toy cars, just scaled up to a massive level. The mold for 5 Cybercab chassis is huge, and getting the metal to flow perfectly without defects is a massive challenge. Tesla's cracked it with a super-fast cooling system, a smart mold release setup, and AI-powered quality checks, tech no other carmaker has matched at this scale. Other companies are taking notice. General Motors, Hyundai, Volvo,
electric
Zeekr,
vehicle
and XPeng are jumping on the
2025 the
gigacasting
year
bandwagon,
Tesla shakes up
with
the
XPeng
entire
rocking
auto
a
industry once again.
16,000-ton machine.
Popular
But
in China
Tesla's
and
already
Europe.
way ahead with the
However,
50,000-ton
according to
beast.
recently leaked information,
The auto
the
industry
price of
laughed
the
at
Model
Musk's
2
idea
may be
at
slightly
first,
higher,
saying aluminum
possibly
molds would
close
wear
to
out too fast compared to
$30,000.
steel stamping.
Still a good price,
But
but no
Tesla's
longer
proved
the
them
surprisingly
wrong, and
cheap
now
figure
Ford,
that many
Toyota,
had originally
GM,
hoped for.
and Volkswagen
There
are
is
all
one
investing
particularly
in
notable
gigapresses.
point. See
Producing
Tesla's
720
$30,000
cars an
target.
hour is a game-changer,
That would go
especially
against
for the
Tesla's
high-volume
original
Model
plan
2, which
to
Musk
create
says will
an
outpace
affordable
Model
electric
Y
car
and
for the
Model 3
masses.
combined.
So what is
Let's
Tesla
switch
doing to
gears
keep
for
the
a quick
price low?
update on the autonomous
They
driving
may be
scene.
aiming for the cheapest and most
Waymo's hit a
efficient
rough
battery in
patch,
the world,
pausing its
seen as a
robotaxi
secret
service in
weapon
parts of
to
LA
reduce
and San
production
Francisco
costs.
after protests
In
against
fact,
Trump's
Tesla
immigration
is no longer
policies
just a
turned
car
violent.
manufacturer, but
Some
also
Waymo cabs got trashed, with one even set on fire, sending toxic smoke from lithium-ion batteries into the air. Each of those robot axes costs between $150,000 and $200,000, so the damage isn't cheap. Meanwhile, Tesla's robotaxi is gearing up for a big reveal. A recent clip on X showed it cruising driverless in Austin,
Tesla
Texas,
is aiming
with a major
for an
event
energy
planned for
consumption
today,
rate of
June 12,
5.5 miles per
2025.
kilowatt hour.
Tesla's
the
aiming
best
for
in its
sky-high
class today.
reliability, and we're
Step
stoked to see more
inside,
customers
and you'll
testing
find
it soon.
Tesla's signature
On the
minimalist
sales
design
front,
in full
the Tesla
effect.
Model Y is killing
The
it as
dashboard
China's
is clean
top-selling
and flat,
SUV for May,
centered around
with
a 15-inch touchscreen.
24,770
The
units
compact
registered, edging
touch-sensitive
out
steering
BYD's
wheel and
Song
the
Plus
absence of
and
gear
Geely's
shifters
Jingu
keep
L.
things sleek and simple.
From January to May,
In terms of driver
Tesla moved
assistance, the Model 2 will come with Tesla's
126,643 Model
FSD
YS in
hardware,
China,
5,
beating BYD's Song
parroted
Plus and
publicly.
Song Pro.
Earlier,
Despite a
Musk had mentioned now
71%
facing a
profit dip
seismic
in
shift
Q1
with the
and a
upcoming release of the
7.8%
Tesla
drop in
Model
year-over-year
2,
sales, the
featuring
Model
a
Y
major
is holding
price
strong
change and
as a premium
specifications
SUV.
that are completely different
Tesla's
from what we
banking on a
previously
rebound
expected.
in Q3 and Q4
So,
with the
what's
new
the
Model
shocking
Y
truth
rolling
be-
out. Why should you care about all this? The 50,000-ton Giga press isn't just about building cars faster, it's about reimagining the whole process. Tesla's Cybercab isn't just a car without a steering wheel, it's a new way of manufacturing, swapping assembly lines for networks, human workers for robots, and welded parts for pre-made modules. It's like stacking Lego bricks, as Musk puts it. This tech is setting Tesla miles ahead, and with competitors scrambling to catch up, it's clear Musk's vision is reshaping the industry. The Giga Press is why Tesla can crank out affordable, high-volume cars like the Model 2 while keeping quality sky-high. Thanks for sticking with us, Auto Intel crew. If you're as pumped about Tesla's innovations as we are, smash that like button and share this video. We're on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers, so please hit subscribe and turn on notifications to catch all our latest deep dives into EVs and auto tech. Your support means the world, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting content. See you in the next one.